What if I told you that the secret to a thriving garden isn't locked in a store or hiding in some expensive fertilizer, but sitting quietly in your trash can? That orange peel, it's more than just kitchen waste. That broken teacup, it's not trash, it's a treasure waiting to bloom. You see, the real magic of gardening isn't in what you buy, it's in how you see. Elsie knows this. She's 73. Her knees ache when she kneels, and the arthritis in her fingers sometimes makes pruning a challenge. But her garden? It's a sanctuary, a little paradise grown not from money, but from memory. To Elsie, that chipped bowl reminds her of her wedding. The coffee tin belonged to her late husband. Now, they cradle petunias and basil. In every piece of junk, she sees potential, a story, a second life. So today, we're not just gardening. We're reimagining. We're digging into 15 genius garden hacks that turn your everyday junk into joy. And it starts with one simple idea: nothing is ever really wasted. These aren't just clever tips. They're reminders that beauty lives in the overlooked, and that something broken can still help something else grow. If you've ever felt like you didn't have enough to garden, this is your sign, because everything you need might already be in your hands. You don't need a brand new shed, polished tools, or a wallet full of cash to grow something beautiful. All you need is what's already around you. Gardening isn't about perfection. It's about creativity. It's about seeing a cracked colander not as junk, but as the perfect herb planter. It's taking a rusted ladder and turning it into a vertical garden. It's the joy of watching life burst through a broken place, simply because you dared to give it a chance. With a little patience, a bit of imagination, and a heart open to trying, even your windowsill, your balcony, your backyard can become a place of wonder. Because gardening isn't about what you have, it's about what you're willing to grow with. Let's open your kitchen cabinet, not to cook, but to grow. Because hiding among your scraps and leftovers are some of the most powerful garden tools you've never thought of. 1. Citrus peels as seed starters. Next time you eat an orange, save the peel halves. Scoop them out gently. Poke a tiny drainage hole at the bottom, and boom, you've got a biodegradable seed starter. Plant it directly into the soil when it's ready. No plastic trays, no waste, just fresh, citrus-scented life. 2. Tea bags for root boosting. Used tea bags are full of nutrients that help seedlings develop stronger roots. Just bury one where you're planting. It holds moisture, nourishes the soil, and keeps your little green babies thriving. 3. Eggshells for calcium-rich soil. Eggshells aren't just fragile, they're powerful. Rinse, dry, and crush them. Sprinkle around tomato plants or peppers. They're nature's calcium supplement, strengthening cell walls and preventing blossom end rot. 4. Banana peel water as fertilizer. Soak banana peels in a jar for 2 to 3 days. The result? A potassium-rich tonic your plants will love. It encourages blooming and lush leaves, especially for roses and flowering herbs. 5. Coffee grounds to deter pests. Leftover coffee grounds. Don't toss them. Sprinkle them around your plants. They not only enrich the soil with nitrogen, they also repel slugs, ants, and even curious cats. Bonus, it smells amazing. Who knew your compost bin could hold so much gardening gold? These simple swaps don't just help your garden, they help the planet too. Less waste, more growth, and best of all, they cost almost nothing. Which of these would you actually try? Or have you done one before? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you have a secret kitchen trick of your own, share it. We might just feature it in our next video. Sometimes, the things we throw away just need a second purpose. These 5 broken or worn out household items might look like junk, but in the garden, they become heroes. 6. Cracked mugs for drainage and pots. That chipped coffee mug you've been meaning to toss? Keep it. Place it at the bottom of your plant pots. It helps improve drainage and keeps roots from rotting. Bonus, it adds charm to your pot, especially if it once held warm memories. 7. Worn out socks as hanging planters. Got socks with no pairs or holes in the heel? Turn them into quirky little hanging planters. They're breathable, flexible, and surprisingly durable. Perfect for herbs, strawberries, or trailing plants. Just fill, tie, and hang. 8. Broken chairs for tomato trellises. An old, wobbly chair may not support you anymore, but it can definitely support tomatoes. Strip the seat, leave the frame, and you've got an instant garden trellis. Rustic, functional, and full of character. 9. Old kettles as herb pots. That dented kettle or stained teapot hiding in the back of your cabinet. Bring it out, clean it up, drill a few holes, and it becomes the perfect herb pot for your kitchen window or balcony garden. 10. Rusty tools restored with vinegar. Before you toss out those rusty garden tools, soak them in vinegar overnight. The rust softens, making it easy to scrub away. A little elbow grease, and they're good as new. Sometimes all we need is a little care to bring something back to life. These broken things once served their purpose, but just like people, with a little creativity and love, they can grow into something new again. Ever saved something others tossed out? Tell us your garden rescues in the comments. You never know, your idea might inspire someone else's green space. Some of the best garden tools were never sold at a garden center. They came from the recycling bin. These 3 hacks prove that what we throw away can actually help things grow better, faster, and stronger. 11. Toilet paper rolls as root trainers. Don't toss those cardboard tubes. Use them to give your seedlings a strong start. They're perfect root trainers. Just fill them with soil, pop in a seed, and plant the whole roll in the ground later. The cardboard breaks down, and the roots stay undisturbed. No shock, no stress. 12. Newspaper mulch for weed control. Weeds love the sun. Block it out. Lay down damp newspaper around your plants and cover it lightly with soil or mulch. The paper smothers weeds, retains moisture, and slowly decomposes to feed the soil. It's free, it's effective, and it cuts your weeding time in half. 13. Ice cream tubs as mini greenhouses. Got an empty plastic tub from dessert night? Don't throw it out. Flip it into a mini greenhouse for young seedlings. It traps warmth and moisture, protects from wind and pests, and creates a cozy microclimate. Perfect for early starts in unpredictable weather. What makes these hacks so powerful? Simplicity. They retain moisture where it matters most. Protect your vulnerable seedlings, and stop weeds before they start. And the best part? They cost nothing. They're already in your home, waiting to be used. In a world that moves fast and wastes so much, gardening reminds us to slow down, to reuse, and to see value in the ordinary. These small choices don't just grow plant, they grow perspective. Ever tried any of these hacks? Or made your own garden invention? Let us know in the comments. Some things in our homes carry more than dust, they carry memories. And sometimes the most unexpected pieces of our past can help grow our future. 14. Old walking canes as plant supports. Maybe it belonged to a grandfather or helped someone take brave steps after surgery. That cane, once a quiet support for someone you love, can now help your plants rise toward the sun. It's strong, weathered, and full of silent stories, just like the garden itself. Even the things that helped us walk can help plants stand tall. 15. Photo frames as DIY cold frames. Old photo frames, dusty, cracked, and used, can be reborn into something beautiful. By attaching a few together, you can create a simple cold frame that protects young plants from chilly mornings and surprise rain. The glass traps heat, the frame shelters new life, and just like your memories, it keeps something precious safe. In every garden, there's more than soil and seed. There are stories, there's history, there's heart, and when we use the things that meant something, our garden becomes more than a space. It becomes a legacy. Have you ever used something sentimental in your garden? Share your story. Someone might need to hear it today. Because in the end, gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about growing meaning, one beautiful, repurposed piece at a time. A garden doesn't care how fancy your tools are, how full your wallet is, or how perfect your plan might be. It only asks one thing. Do you care enough to try? And if you do, even just a little, it gives back so much more. Like Mr. Fig used to say when he'd prune roses behind the church, everything can bloom again, if given the chance. Every cracked mug, every torn sock, every broken chair, they're all reminders that beauty doesn't have to be brand new. It just has to be nurtured. If this video gave you an idea, a memory, or even just a smile, like, share, and subscribe. It helps us grow, just like a good garden. And we want to hear from you. Which tip was your favorite? Or maybe you've got your own secret garden rescue trick. Drop it in the comments below. Let's grow together.